How to deactivate a Facebook account. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account directly from the app on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap Settings, then tap Account Center. At the bottom of the Account Center page, tap Manage Accounts. Find your Facebook account from the list and tap the Manage button right next to it. After that, tap Deactivation and Deletion. If you have multiple Facebook accounts linked, select the one you want to deactivate. On the next screen, you'll see two options: Deactivate Account, which is temporary and keeps your data intact, or Delete Account, which is permanent and cannot be undone. Tap Deactivate Account and hit Continue. The next page will let you know that any pages you manage will also be deactivated along with your account. Tap Continue to proceed. Finally, enter your password to confirm and complete the deactivation. Keep in mind, deactivating your account means people won't be able to find your profile or see your content until you log back in and reactivate it. And that's it. If this guide helped you deactivate your Facebook account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.